Habai kran bikinong patay kubor I Dr. Amprin lengdo ilong bahado mentai keladon ars bangut ki Samla ke bela Applai banyo ekajaka Pule haka PA Sangma International Medical College. Kabadai ke Medical College ke bening kong haka jela ban penyat di Hiroshima ke badan nag school ba USTM. Ilong banak shis pa asan hotli hisid ar pulai teli gidai nak bentak NRI kota, nrup sau teli ke state kota, ba nrup pulai teli ke management kota. Hakabedai bagi jingram Palat kabai Pule ke belakot syaka saulak kendai pesan hajar tengka snem ha ke state kota bat ar saulak nyuk pesan hajar tengka ya ke jing Pule berokawai. I Dr. Amprin lengdo ilong ba ya kene kedor kadai ke bela menjur ke jingyalang ke bela long dangshen bat kibor penya jeng ke skul ba USTM. Ilong ba ke Medical College ke bela penya di Hiroshima kala ban le ya kene nreka National Medical Council ka kemi benya ya baro ke IKA ba kala ai ke jing menjur. Nrei banong basaulak shteng kalong kebahe kala ruban daipat ke bom shisha. I Dr. Amprin lengdo ilong ba menteri rangba ulatip halor kani ke jing long jengman banan sekemi benya bat chim ya karai an ajing erap ikini Samla Pule ke belet Pule. Ili tu bagi jingjet di Samla Pule an pensyong nongrem kat kum kan need bat ke reservation policy. Ilong baka ordinance keberang syedap menjur ke kedua menteri na kebentaban penterekam ya ka Medical College papeniat di Hiroshima kadang saat teng banyo ekijing menjur na ulat kejela. Kumta kalong ke bakongsan bah ban penstat no ekikam kejam kenang ba anla ban sedang no ya kane ke Medical College ban an buat renti ru ya ki kendon an baro.
Even in the normal sponsored seats given by the government of India, nominal fees are always in the procedure of things. It's not like I get a sponsored seat, so I go completely free. It is not correct. It is also correct that MBBS students are eligible for a scholarship to cover these nominal payments that they have to make at the time of appointment. So when a nominee goes to an educational institution, they take their nomination letter, but they still have to pay a nominal fee. Those nominal fees sometimes are covered by the scholarship, and sometimes extra additional amounts for hostel and other facilities are anyways borne by students. A nominated candidate has to pay far lesser than a normal candidate. If you go under payment of a personal capacity, you have seen the fees are very expensive. So to say that nominated candidates do not pay any fees at all is also incorrect. Some amount of payments are made to the institution that gives them this seat. Now, in the case of the USTM, this is the amount of fees agreed upon in a joint meeting of all concerned with the USTM. So, in a private medical college, these norms are permissible. It's allowed. So, they do get into this, and the NMC monitors all of that and gives its approval. So, to say that 4.5 lakhs per year is a little steep may not be completely true also. And like I have said, Honorable Chief Minister is aware of this situation. He is now going to be sitting once he is convenient with time, and he will take a look at this, and then we will decide whether or not any further assistance should be given by government for these students availing these seats. As of now, at this point of time, over 200 applicants have applied. If you go from your own expenses, a seat is far more expensive. They have to apply for scholarships. They get scholarships also, like every other stream of study. So this is what is being said right now. Right now, the USTM is offering this to the state of Meghalaya. And we are going ahead and processing all of the candidatures. I think it is reviewed after 30 years, but like I said, everything is at a stage of processing. The entire picture will be clear to us shortly. They've just been given this permission. We are working on the details. But to my knowledge, if I remember correctly, subject to review after 30 years. I'm praying and I'm confident that we are having everybody on board. We cannot think of a medical college if your doctors are not in line with you. I'm so grateful to the doctors. So many doctors now are preparing themselves. So many have been sent for us SRship. So many have been sent for specialization only because they're looking towards this, that this will be a dream come true. I am praying that everything will be on track and I hope that we'll be able to do it. And at that time, I hope that there will be no doubts again in the mind of people like the media. Don't doubt us. Why do you doubt everything we do?